Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to use any installed apps as floating app bubbles in Pixel smartphones and tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the settings. Just scroll down below and now just click on this system and click on the software updates and click on the system updates and check for if newer updates is available or not. So you need to update your Pixel smartphones to the Android 17 or higher than that, and once you have updated to the Android 17 or higher than that, just can minimize it. Now just tap and hold on the respective app icon. Now you will see here one option written bubble. Just click on it. Now you can see here it's appearing. So if you want to hide it, just click on the blank area, then it will be placed as the floating app icon. Now similarly, if you want to use more apps as floating app bubbles, then once again do the same thing. Just tap and hold on the respective app icons and once again click on the app bubble. Now you can see here, now you can select the respective applications and use it as floating app bubbles. And if you want to edit, you can add here directly from here also. So if you wish, you can just add a respective app icon as a floating app bubbles. And if you want to close all these floating app bubbles, then just drag it to this cross icon, then it will get closed. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily use any installed apps as floating app bubbles in Pixel smartphones and tablets very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.